Hi everyone, very warm welcome to Knowledge Plugs, an online knowledge sharing sessions by TalenTeam. My name is Sadaf, SAP SuccessFactors Lead Consultant at TalenTeams, and on this podcast, you'll hear me talking about SAP SuccessFactors Visa and Permit Management solution, and the focus will be on the key values that it offers to the customers. You should listen to this podcast if you are an existing SAP SuccessFactors customer or if you are planning to procure SAP SuccessFactors, any of the core modules, and also looking out for a system that helps your local and global HR teams to manage the visa and permits of your employee, and also to help them in the situations where there might be situations where they miss the deadlines of visa issuances, and also the amount of manual efforts that they need to do for the day-to-day administrations of such documents. If you'd like to overcome all these challenges, then I'd say SAP VPM is the solution for you that you should explore, adapt, and execute. All right. To begin with, VPM is the first SAP SuccessFactors solution that has been built and delivered on SAP Cloud Platform, and it's an extension to the Employee Central module. As I mentioned at the start of the session, I'd like to touch upon the key ROI values of VPM. And here goes the top 5 value drivers. The first one is VPM provides central work list based on country-specific processes for visa and permit issuances, extensions, renewals, or cancellation. And hence, it reduces manual transaction and HR administration's effort. Another benefit with VPM is you can define auditable processes that let you create criteria for eligibility checks, approvals, and the number of visa and permits allowed. And that decreases the HR compliance's cost and mitigate any risk. Another benefit with the VPM solution is, as a document holder, an employee gets an option to access the status of their or for their dependents as well, the visa and permits, and also they can request an action for their documents from the application itself. This definitely increases employee engagement and increases the effectiveness in the process as well. Another important aspect of VPM is, as in organizations can define as many as processes they need, covering each and every step that needs tracking and have an action to perform. And that helps optimizing the business process standards and procedures. The most important benefit with the VPM is, with the help of available administration dashboards, request monitors, and document management functionalities, admin gets a required and in-depth insight into the status of each and every document. And hence, that gives insight into visa and permit statuses and tracking, which is very much crucial for managing these critical documents. Well, these are the main important key drivers for SAP SuccessFactors Visa and Permit Management. And with that, I'd like to close this session. I'd like to thank you all for taking time to listen to this podcast. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions on VPM or any other SuccessFactors modules, you can write to us at the email address given below. Also, I'll also be doing another podcast on visa and permit management, explaining the solution and its capability in depth. So keep watching this space here and you will have the podcast available very soon. Till then, stay safe and healthy and keep connecting, learning and sharing. Thank you very much.